Look at the picture in front of you. It's Thursday night, 9:19, and this young man, he's gonna be buried tomorrow. His name is Amor. How? And he's dead. And he's from Trinidad and Togo. And I'm gonna say it like this. You remember when you were young and your mother said to you, show me your company and it tells me who you are. So it's like you see some people, they be around certain kind of people, and right away, you're judged. So it's the company you keep. Let's go. Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great, one more great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and click on another video. Now, this young man lost his life in Trinidad, and I said to myself, what the hell is going on in Trinidad? As a matter of fact, before I get into this story, I want to say something about this. Now, today in Trinidad, this little young boy, he's 10 years old, and from what I'm hearing it's sort of a reprisal attack on a neighborhood, and two men come in a car, spray the neighborhood and kill this young boy. He's 10 years old, the same age as my son, and they kill a 38-year-old man. Yo, let me tell you something about Bumbuckler Trinidad, dog. On a disgusting down at that Bumbuckler. You see them so-called bad boy, the dog, and that's the thing. I don't know why the OG them are put up with them kind of killing ya in a them Bumbuckler community. Yo, the police catch them and hope the police kill them, dog. Yo, when them boy they go jail at Trinidad, more on the man them in a prison for kill them, dog, and get rid of them Bumbuckler. Yo, this is disgusting. Now, them think they want to take the young youth life and then go jail. Go sit down on phone and call your Bumbuckler girl and them think them are youth. Yo, me I hope the man them were in a Port of Spain prison. When the boy them come in we kill a little boy, yeah. If uno make him come on the block, the whole of uno suck pussy. And at that countryman I say, I summer feel about that. Let's go. Yeah, now I'm back. Apologize for the outrageous cursing, but certain things me not like and me not care. You understand? When them boy they go to prison, them for Bumbuckler dead. And that's it. Now, this youth here, Mr. Amor, he's from a rich family. The family have money. His brother, and I'm not gonna call his name, you understand? He has a brother who is a big timer, and the brother also, from what I heard, because I did a video on Django, knows Django also, and Mr. Amor family have a lot of money. The money that Prezi have can't touch Mr. Amor's family money. which brings me to Mr. Amor, because I don't know this young man, but to me it just seems like the money get to his head and then he started to go the wrong way, and that's the truth. Now I'm quite sure his brother and his family probably talked to him about certain company he's keeping, and I'm quite sure he didn't listen. And from what I hear from my intel and my source, that the person who he's hanging with causes demise. And I'm gonna show you something. My wonderful subscribers and viewers, we have a new channel. It's called Countryman Canada, and this channel, it's geared towards Canada and the gangster them and the dirty boy them and the knackies and the pussy hole them. Countryman is gonna talk about them, because let me tell you something about Canada. There is a lot of Caribbean people living in Canada, and if you know some of the stuff they go through and do, it make your hair spin. Canada is not a bed of roses. So this is in a partnership with 6 Degrees. Check out Countryman Canada, the YouTube channel. Now look at the picture right there. That is Sunday Trinidad Zeeks and Mr. Amor, and both of them were best of friends. You understand? Anything Sunday did, this man would support Sunday. And I heard from the grapevine, from my intel them, that this man was funding Sunday with guns and money. And I don't know why this young man would be caught up and hanging out with a bottom feeder like Sunday. You understand? And you know, my mom used to tell me, some people, you don't want to talk to them, you don't want to shake them hand, you don't want to go to their house, cause you will take their bad luck. And this young man took Sunday bad luck, because the only reason why he is dead, it's because of Sunday, and it's because of what Sunday is doing, did, the kind of person Sunday is, and the Six gang and the people who support the Six and other gangs watching and waiting. And I heard this was carried out by the Six camp. At first there was some rumors running around that it's ABG, it's not Fishy them. You understand? What this is a full-fledged war going on with the 6 and the 7. And even though 6 Dan is in jail, I can't say for sure he called this one, but what I can say for sure is that this is coming from the 6 camp, and if the supporters them is out there, you understand, they're gonna do what they need to do, and that's how it works. Now, when somebody lose their life like this, it's always sad. But what's also apparent to me is that Trinidad is a small connected place, and you're gonna always have somebody who is around you that is willing to give information to the other side. And I think that's what's going on here with this guy, because somebody is really watching him and know everything and know who he hangs with. Because if you ask anybody who's from Port of Spain, they know that this guy and Sunday, they're like Bench and Batty. That's his best friend. And somebody said to me, Sunday is really feeling it right now and sad. And Sunday knows what happened. Sunday knows this is coming off of his back because of the notorious war that him and Six Dan have going on and Prezi. Cause Sunday and Six Dan, them have the most vicious war in Port of Spain in the history of gang war. You understand? And Six Dan, him is an anarchist. And Sunday, him is a conspiracist. So him is send out, man. You understand? But Six Dan will go for you. And that's just how it is. Everybody used to be best friend. Now everybody beefing. But this guy, I'll take it from Countryman because there is more coming, lost his life because of Sunday. And like I said, I heard he's funding Sunday crime thing with gun and them thing there. And the Six them, I watch them and watch the youth here and catch him. Now the youth here, one thing I know, Trinidad is a crazy motherfucking place, boy. This man not gonna take his brother murder lightly. And it's gonna be some serious killing in Trinidad. The police need to do a state of emergency and shut that whole thing down, yo. You understand? Something needs to be done because there's gonna be a reprisal. Remember I told you that, and I feel I can't say for sure that this little boy who died, that might be coming from this, but I am gonna do some more check and then I'm gonna update you guys. But yeah, and this is for the man then in our prison. When the two guys then come in, the one that killed this young boy, he's 10 years old, only need for fuck him up. You understand? Me I put out the word, Countryman I put out the word. Do something good. You understand? Get rid of them. Because guess what? If them can't kill a 10-year-old little boy, then we kill my son. And that's how me feel. Listen, there's more coming up on this. And I want you to stay tuned. Because like I said, it's gonna be hot this summer in Trinidad. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out. Peace.